Hi, I'm Mike Crandall with Sandler Training. At our firm, we specialize in sales, management, leadership development. I'm excited to announce that our annual nonprofit organization scholarship has just opened up, and I'd like to tell you a little bit about it. If you or someone you know is part of a nonprofit organization that struggles with fundraising, volunteer engagement, membership, finding the right people for your staff, or really focusing on driving your mission forward, this scholarship might be helpful to you. Every year we give a local in central Oklahoma or Oklahoma City nonprofit organization scholarship, and that scholarship provides that organization access to some consulting, coaching, training, some other tools and resources from our team and I. The value of that, if you were to write a check for it, would be about $60,000 for the year. If you or someone you know is part of a nonprofit organization that would appreciate knowing that, we'd love to have you share the information with them and steer them to the online application. We look forward to having people in your network apply. Once again, I'm Mike Crandall with Sandler Training.